Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. Let's start with a look at where markets closed to end the day. Stocks closed mostly higher on the day, with the Nasdaq 100 adding 1.5%, followed by the S&P 500 adding 0.75%. Both hit new records. The Dow finished flat, and the Russell closed down 0.4%. 7 of 11 S&P 500 sectors closed higher, with communications adding nearly 2% and technology gaining 1.8%. To the downside, financials lost 1.6% and industrials shed 0.6%. The top story of the day was the FOMC voting unanimously for a 25 basis point cut, bringing the target range for the federal funds rate to 4.5% to 4.75%. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said the 25 basis point cut was further recalibration for a strong U.S. economy. He added this cut will help maintain the strength of the economy and the labor market. The committee continues to seek maximum employment and inflation at the rate of 2% over the longer run. AppLovin shares skyrocketed to a new all-time high thanks to an impressive beat on its third quarter earnings. The mobile software company reported earnings of $1.25 a share, with revenue coming in at $1.2 billion, rising some 39% from last year. The highlight was the strong performance of its software platform, with its revenue growing 66% year over year. For the current quarter, AppLovin expects revenue between $1.24 and $1.26 billion. The board of AppLovin also authorized a $2 billion buyback program. After hours, DraftKings moved lower despite reporting a third quarter earnings beat. The gaming company reported revenue of $1.1 billion, an increase of 39% year over year. The revenue increase was driven by customer engagement and the expansion of its sportsbook offering into new jurisdictions. The return of NFL and college football also added to its performance. And tune in tomorrow morning to Morning Trade Live as Oliver Rennick will sit down with Jason Robbins, the CEO of DraftKings, to discuss its third quarter earnings and give his take on other competitors in the gaming space. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.